Isa sa mga bagay na nagpapa-excite sa akin every time I hold concerts abroad ay ang pag-perform ko para sa mga Filipinos abroad. I have done several shows in the US pero iba ang 24 SG US tour ko dahil gagawin ito sa 4 na venues sa US. And gaya lang ng ibang tours ko abroad, naging bonding time na rin ito kasama ang buong 24 SG team. Take a look at our departure from Manila and arrival in San Francisco.
Hi guys, ito na, pupunta na kami sa San Francisco. This is the Bobby right here. Ingat guys, bye-bye.
Hello guys! Dito kami sa lounge ng PAL. A few minutes, mag-board na kami. San Francisco. First show ko namin will be at Top Hill. Kita-kita tayo. Bye! Nakasabay namin sa lounge si Governor Vilma Santos. Sige, bye!
Dito lang tinamaan. Si Casey, andun na. Si Mateo. Oh, si Ate V.
Nandun din si, of course, si Casey. Nandun din. Kaya nga nag-reto sa kasi sabi ko sa sing. Abuli na tayo. Hindi. Umiyak siya. Flight from Manila to San Francisco.
Na-enjoy namin yung flight from Manila to Sanfo and then LA to Manila kasi ang haba, tas makakapanood ka ng movies.
Tinitake namin yun yung advantage na yun para makapag-rest. Eto, masarap yung weather kasi malamig siya pero hindi yung okay lang. Sa atin kasi dito, mainit, doon ibang air naman.
Tsaka we always look forward yung pag nagpupunta kami sa ibang bansa. Nakakapagsuot ka ng mga panglamig na pag dito, madalang mo lang talagang masuot.
We're here in San Francisco for the first leg of Sarah and Rodimo. 24 SG, yes, we're all excited. Everybody's arriving now, so we're in the hotel.
Traveled for about an hour going to our hotel, Hilton Fremont Hotel.
So far, super laga from our flight. Our transfer this place to our accommodation sa pangangalaga ng Viva
Tomorrow, 24th, next day, hello guys, it's our promo day today. So, nagpakulit ako. So, first half namin sa lunch with on stage. Tapos, turn on sa Haywire. Tapos, VIP night. So yun, the next day, nag-promo na kami. First promo namin, nag-lunch lang kami sa Red Lobster restaurant. Ang nag-host ng lunch, one of the producers. Ang on-stage, ayun. Yung weather, hindi sobrang malamig. Bearable yung lamig. Ayun, windy. Pero hindi sobrang maginaw.
Start with a drink first and then appetizer and then your entree. Okay? Okay.
They wanted Red Lobster. They're a big fan of Red Lobster, so we brought them to Red Lobster. We could have chosen any place they wanted to, but they really love Red Lobster. It must be the commercial. Lunch at Red Lobster was very good. Yeah, Sarah was a very good person to have lunch with. She's very nice, down to earth person. I was starstruck, but she made me feel very comfortable. Her whole staff, her family, everyone was very like I have so much respect for her.
I don't normally get starstruck, but when I first saw her come inside, I was like, my heart was beating a little bit too fast. Sarah's like a princess, you know, when she walks in, very elegant, very proper. You know, I just feel like she's too good for me to even talk to sometimes. But, you know, she laughs at everything, jokes. She's very nice. You know, maybe I'm just too joking around. That's kind of my reaction to every time I get nervous. Every time you laugh, gets the crowd going. Mateo, he's actually one of the coolest cats I've ever met. He came up to me, started talking to me, and you know, he's the type of person that really gets to know you. You know, that's why I respect him for that. You know, I thought I was gonna be, all right, just do my job, take pictures, but it was just actually an event that I'm gonna carry with myself to the future. Keep it in my head.
Thank you. Give me my number. Lunch is good, yan. The bag payong of Sarah. We ate lobster. We're all very, very full.